Max, look! Oh my gosh, he really sees it!
Where'd it go?
That's
Can see
amazing.
it. This is so
He
fun.
doesn't see like TV screens or
No,
anything.
only one of my cats can see TV screens because I noticed one day he was watching, the tennis was on and he was watching, he could see.
Huh? Get the fish! Get the fish! Get it, right there. You see it? Can you see it? You can't tell. Get it.
Try the other one.
He wants to get under it. I've noticed other cats doing that too. Look, look up here, up here. Oh, that's awesome. That's so cool. Do you have a screen protector?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay.
So cool. He never notices screens. Oh, you got it. It is up here.
I've never tried this with my cats. I've never thought to.
That's
They've never shown
awesome.
any interest in
That's
it, honestly.
awesome. He hasn't either.
You have to try it. When I
Oh
get
my
home
gosh,
now.
the kittens.
Okay.
This is awesome. He's trying to eat it. He thinks it goes
And then
underneath.
it goes, yeah, when it goes off the screen, he's like, where is it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Maya, come here. She's hiding, but she would like it. She loves stuff. It's over here. It's over here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so happy.
Oh, you like your iPad toy?
That's freaking adorable.
How does this work?
I'll pull up into, yeah, one way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. He really loves it. Oh, he like freaked out because it like made noise. This is awesome. I have to get an iPad just for my cat.
Oh, definitely. He needs one now. Max's iPad.
That's amazing. It's so cute. I want to take a picture.
Okay. Sure?
Is she being shy?
You don't want to come out?
Darn, my camera won't let me like.
You say you don't want to come out.
Uh-oh.
Bless you, Papa.
He loves it. This is amazing. He's not really scratching it either.
No. It'll be alright. I think even if you did a little bit of screen protector should.
He passed the level, I think. Love change level. Oh, such a smart
The
kitty.
next level. You want to keep playing?
That's awesome. That is so cool.
Oh,
Oh, that's so cool.
And the little puddles, like when he taps it, the water
That's
kind of puddles out.
awesome. Oh, that's so cute.